Hello friends, I am Sanjeev. Welcome to SRS Info. In this video, we are going to discuss on the topic National Sports Day. And in this video, we will discuss why the National Sports Day is celebrated in India and the National Sports Days celebrated in other countries. So let us start. So let us first see what is the importance of National Sports Day in India. So in India, National Sports Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand. Who was he? He was a hockey player and a hockey legend. And hockey is the national game of India. Major Dhyan Chand played hockey as his career between 1926 to 1948, and he had won many gold medals in Olympics for India. In his career as a hockey player, he has scored over 400 goals. Major Dhyan Chand Awards are awarded in sports category, and it is the highest lifetime achievement award in the category of sports. And who was his coach? His coach was Pankaj Gupta. Let us now discuss the national sports days of other countries. So first is Iran. The National Sports Day is celebrated on 17th October every year, and in Iran the National Sports Day is known by Physical Education Sports Day. And in Japan the National Sports Day is celebrated on second Monday of October, and in Japan National Sports Day is known as Health and Sports Day. And in Malaysia, National Sports Day is celebrated on second Saturday of October, and similarly in Qatar, the second Tuesday of February is celebrated as National Sports Day. So let us discuss some MCQ questions based on sports. So first question is Omega Mission Hills World Cup is related to which game? Options are golf, hockey, football and polo. So the answer will be golf. Next question is what does the Olympic flame symbolize? So the options are challenge, continuity, integrity and zeal to play sports. So the answer will be continuity. Next question is who among the following was the first Formula One world champion? Options are Felipe Massa, Lewis Hamilton, Giuseppe Farina, and Jenson Button. So the answer is Giuseppe Farina, and the first Formula One world championship took place in the year 1950. And Giuseppe Farina is an Italian, and the vehicle that he used in this race was Alfa Romeo. Next question is Rovers Cup is related to which sports? Options are football, baseball, cricket, and hockey. So the answer is football. Who started with the Rovers Cup? It was started by a British football enthusiast, and it was formed at Bombay in the year 1891. Next question is who was the first to hit six sixes in an over? Options are Kapil Dev, Ravi Shastri, Garfield Sobers, and Ted Ellison. So the answer is Garfield Sobers, and he belongs to West Indies. Next question is which was the venue of first South Asian Games? Options are Kathmandu, Kuala Lumpur, Netherlands, and Colombo. So the answer is Kathmandu, and Kathmandu is in Nepal. And the first South Asian Games took place in the year 1984. And the upcoming event of South Asian Games is going to take place in 2021, where it is going to take place in Lahore. Where is Lahore? Lahore is in Pakistan. Next question is which game was previously known as Mintonette? Options are football, baseball, volleyball, and tennis. So the answer is volleyball. Volleyball was previously known as Mintonette, and this game was invented by William George Morgan, and it is the national game of Sri Lanka, and Baseball is the national game of USA. Next question is, who is nicknamed as the Flying Finn? Options are Milkha Singh, Usain Bolt, Paavo Nurmi, and Jesse Owen. So the answer is Paavo Nurmi. And to which country did he belong? He belonged to Finland. Next question is, which was the first player to win 5 straight Wimbledon tennis titles? Options are Roger Federer, Andre Agassi, Arthur Ashe, John Borch. So the answer is John Borch, and he won 5 Wimbledon tennis titles between 1976 and 1980. And he belongs to which country? He belongs to Sweden. And in the finals of Wimbledon tennis, he defeated McEnroe. Next question is, Albion round is found in which sports? Options are badminton, archery, croquet, and tennis. So Albion round is found in archery. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.